की खबर बंगाईगांव असम। दिस इज नीति मोहन और मैं आ रही हूँ फर्स्ट टाइम परफॉर्म करने एट द गोल्डन लंगूर फेस्टिवल ऑन 7th of January 2024. So get your tickets on Insider and I can't wait to sing for all of you. And I forgot to wish you all Happy New Year.
Good news for everyone. For the academic year 2024-2025, admissions to playgroup, nursery, LKG and UKG are underway at Vidyavili Kids School in Habubari, Kokrajhar. This Vidyavili Kids School has many facilities for students like smart class and daycare, indoor, outdoor game, art and craft workshop, playful learning, environment and dance room, modern teaching aids, audio visual room, good teachers, student one-on-one training on one language and speech development, experienced teachers, green knowledge. Why are you waiting for the admission? Call 6900 304050 for more details.